In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix your Google Drive storage when it's full. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. It really helps us out. We all know that Google Drive is a fantastic tool for storing and sharing files, but sometimes it can feel like our storage space disappears all too quickly. Luckily, I'm here to guide you through some straightforward steps to free up some space. First, we need to get to the Google Drive homepage. So open up your web browser and head over to drive.google.com. Once you're there, you'll see your files laid out in front of you. It's a familiar sight, right? But now we're going to focus on managing your storage. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll notice a menu. Look for an option labeled Storage and click on that. This will take you to an overview of how your storage is being used. You'll see a breakdown that shows how much space you've used and what categories your files fall into, like photos, documents, and more. Now, to really tackle that storage issue, we want to clean up some space. In the storage overview, you'll find a button that says Clean Up Space. Go ahead and click on that. This will redirect you to a dedicated management page where you can see more details about the files taking up your precious storage. On this new page, locate the section that shows your large files. Click on the option that says Review. This will provide you with a list of items that are consuming the most space on your Google Drive. Take a moment to review these files carefully. Sometimes we hold on to files that we no longer need, and now is the perfect time to let them go. Once you've identified files that you no longer require, go ahead and highlight them. You should see a Delete option. Click that, and just like that, those files will be moved to the trash. But here's an important tip. Files in your trash still count toward your storage limit for 30 days. If you want to immediately reclaim that space, you'll need to empty the trash, so let's do that. Over on the left menu again, you'll see an option for Trash. Click on it, and when you're inside, look for the option that says Empty Trash. Confirm that action, and voila, you've just freed up a significant amount of space. But don't stop there. If you're still looking to optimize your storage, return to your Google Drive homepage once more. Use the filters at the top, like Type, People, or Modified Date, to help you identify any other files you might want to get rid of. Perhaps old shared documents, drafts, or project files from months ago? Each filter allows you to narrow down your search and make the cleanup process even simpler. By following these steps, you should be well on your way to a cleaner and more organized Google Drive, allowing you to store new files without worrying about running out of space. And that's a wrap on today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips. Happy organizing!